Today, our focus will be on discussing specific foods that can help lower your creatinine levels and maintain optimal kidney health. Elevated creatinine can indicate kidney problems. In this presentation, we'll highlight 6 exceptional foods that support kidney function. These foods are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, aiding in better kidney performance. Excessive creatinine levels can be detrimental to kidney health. Fortunately, your diet plays a crucial role. We'll introduce you to these 6 beneficial foods that promote kidney wellness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips. Before diving into the list, let's understand what creatinine is. Creatinine is a byproduct of protein metabolism and muscle breakdown. It is filtered out of the blood by the kidneys. While everyone has creatinine, excessive levels may indicate kidney dysfunction. The serum creatinine test measures kidney efficiency in filtering blood. For adult males, normal creatinine levels range from 60 to 110 micromoles per liter, or 0.7 to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter. For adult females, the typical range is 45 to 90 micromoles per liter, or 0.5 to 1 milligram per deciliter. Here are 6 foods that can help lower high creatinine levels. 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an important vegetable for reducing creatinine, particularly for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. A 1-cup serving of raw cauliflower, about 107 grams, contains 2 grams of fiber, meeting approximately 7% of your daily fiber requirement. Its high fiber content aids in the removal of waste products, including creatinine. Cauliflower is versatile and can be used as a substitute for rice, mashed potatoes, or pizza crust. Additionally, it contains antioxidants and nutrients such as vitamin C and folate, which support kidney health. Antioxidants help eliminate free radicals, which can harm cells. Cauliflower's low potassium levels are beneficial for individuals managing electrolyte levels due to kidney disease. It can be prepared in various ways, including steaming, roasting, or sautéing, and is an affordable and readily available option in most grocery stores. 5. Berries. Berries, especially cranberries, are excellent for kidney health. They are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that help lower creatinine levels. Cranberries also acidify urine, preventing bacterial infections in the urinary tract and allowing the kidneys to focus on filtration. They support kidney cell repair and regeneration, providing essential nutrients like vitamins C and E, magnesium, and B vitamins. The antioxidants in cranberries combat oxidative stress, helping maintain kidney strength. Drinking cranberry juice daily can be an easy way to benefit from these properties. 4. Cabbage. Cabbage is a beneficial vegetable for kidney health due to its low potassium levels. It contains antioxidants and sulfur compounds that may improve kidney function. The antioxidants in cabbage protect the kidneys, and its fiber content aids digestion and waste removal, potentially lowering creatinine levels. Cabbage's sulfur content also protects kidney tissues from inflammation and damage. Additionally, cabbage contains phytochemicals, vitamin C, B vitamins, and vitamin K, all of which contribute to overall health. Raw or fermented cabbage is particularly beneficial as it retains most of its nutrients. 3. Onions. Onions are a flavorful addition to meals and offer numerous health benefits for the kidneys. They contain allicin, which has antimicrobial properties and can reduce high blood pressure, both crucial for kidney health. Onions are rich in vitamin C and calcium, which are essential for kidney function. Their bioactive compounds act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation and aiding in toxin elimination. Onions also help lower blood pressure, supporting kidney recovery, and contain folic acid, which helps manage high creatinine levels. Including onions in your diet can be highly beneficial for your kidneys. 2. Seeds. Including seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, chia, or flax in your diet can enhance kidney function and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for the kidneys. Chia seeds are rich in ALA, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, which help reduce blood urea nitrogen and creatinine levels. Pumpkin seeds can regulate blood sugar and lower the risk of kidney problems in diabetics. Although their potassium and phosphorus content may not be suitable for everyone with kidney issues, it's essential to consult a doctor or dietitian for personalized advice on seed consumption. 1. Eggplant. Eggplant is an excellent choice for kidney health due to its low potassium and sodium content. It provides about 5% of the daily recommended intake of fiber, copper, manganese, B6, and thiamine, along with other beneficial vitamins and minerals. Eggplant contains chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant that can lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of liver disease. Some studies suggest that eggplant may have diuretic properties, helping the body eliminate waste, including creatinine. The fiber in eggplant promotes regular bowel movements and efficient waste elimination. For those with chronic kidney disease, a diet rich in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables is recommended, with low salt and fats. Introducing kidney-friendly foods gradually can support kidney function and maintain balanced creatinine levels. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips on healing through food.